National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for central Lincoln County in central Oklahoma until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a thunderstorm with a history of producing tornadoes was located 4 miles north of McLeod. A tornado may develop again at any time. Doppler radar showed this dangerous storm moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. In addition to a tornado, large destructive hail up to tennis ball size is expected with this storm. Locations impacted include Chandler, Meeker, and Sparks. Take cover now in a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building. Stay away from doors and windows.